back to my channel and thanks for joining me once again for a CVS deals video. This is a brand new ad and there are some good deals going on that you can pick up this week. Just make sure you're scanning the items in the store with your phone to see what coupons or CRTs you have. And if you're joining us for the first time, I would like to welcome you. Thanks for being here and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and let's go find some deals. There is a gift card deal going on right now that when you spend $50, you get $15 extra care box back. Check out the stores that qualify. That way you can get the $15 extra care box to roll it into your deal for this week. My next deal is spend 10, get 5 back on Nivea body wash, and I have two options for this deal. The first option is to pick up 2 Nivea Men body wash priced at $5.99 each. The two will total $11.98. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6.98, get 5 back, making them $1.98 or 99 cents each. The second option is to pick up 2 Nivea Women body wash priced at $6.99 each. Both will total $13.98. Use the 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $8.98, get 5 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The 3-pack Irish Spring Bar Soap and the Soft Soap Hand Soap are on sale for 2 for $6. Pick up 2. You can pick up 1 of each or you can just pick up the same. It doesn't matter. Use a $1 digital coupon and you pay $5 and get 2 back, making them $3 or $1.50 each. Next deal is buy 2, get 3 back on the 52 to 84 count Pampers wipes. Pick up 2. They are on sale for $3.49. The 2 will total $6.98. Pay the $6.98 and you get 3 back, making them $3.98 or $1.99 each. The next baby care deal I have is buy 2, get 5 back on participating Pampers or Love's diapers. The Love's diapers are on sale for $8.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $17.98. Pay the $17.98 and you get 5 back. And that will make them $12.98 or $6.49 each. My next deal is spend 20, get $5 back, and the 12 roll Scott bar tissues are part of this deal. They are on sale for $10.99. Pick up 2 for a total of $21.98. Use a 2 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $19.98. Get 5 back, and that will make them $14.98 or $7.49 each. My next deal is on select Colgate toothpaste. They are on sale for $3.99, and when you buy 2, you get $3 back. Pick up 2 Colgate Max Fresh for a total of $7.98. Use the 4 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $3.98, get 3 back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each. The next deal I have is buy 2, get 5 back on Maybelline Cosmetics. Pick up 2 Maybelline Baby Lips priced at $6.19 each. If you're doing this deal and your store price matches, check the price on the CVS app because sometimes it's a little cheaper. But if you're using the price I have here, the 2 will total $12.38. Use the $4 extra care coupon and you pay $8.38, get 5 back, making them $3.38 or $1.69 each. Real Technique and Eco Tools cosmetic tools are on the deal of spend 20, get $10 back. Pick up 1 Eco Tools brush set priced at $13.99. To complete this deal, pick up 1 Real Technique concealer sponge priced at $6.99. These 2 will total $20.98. Pay the $20.98 and you get 10 back, making them $10.98 or $5.49 each. My next deal is buy 2, get 6 back on any Garnier facial care, and they are on sale for buy 1, get 1 half off. Pick up 2 Garnier Micellar Foaming Gel Cleanser priced at $9.99. With the buy 1, get 1 half off, the first one will be full price and the second one will be $5. The 2 will total $14.99. Check your app. We have a $3 coupon that you can use that will drop it down to $11.99 and you get 6 back, making them $5.99 or $3 each. All Nivea lip care are on sale for buy 1, get 1 free, no extra care box back. Pick up 2 Nivea lip balm priced at $4.19, and with the buy 1, get 1 free, you're just paying for 1. Pay $4.19 and that will make it just $2.10. The next item I have here is Kellogg's cereal. They are on sale for $1.99, no extra care box back. Pick up 1 and pay $1.99. There is a buy 1, get 1 free on all raw sugar bath and shower or hair care. And I have different options for this deal depending on what you need. Let's start with the hair care. The 16-ounce shampoos and conditioners are priced $11.79. Pick up 2. With the buy one get one free, you're just paying $11.79, and that will make each just $5.90. And the 20-ounce body wash are priced $10.49. Pick up 2. Pay $10.49, and that will make each body wash just $5.25. Or you can pick up the 30-ounce body wash priced at $13.79. Pick up 2. Pay $13.79, and that will make each body wash just $6.90. And this deal does not have a limit. You can pick up both the hair care deal and the body wash deal. The Dove Women and Men body wash are on sale for $6.99, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 for a total of $13.98. Pay $13.98 and you get 5 back, making them $8.98 or $4.49 each. We received a 6 off 3 Dove digital coupon today. If you want to use this coupon, pick up 3 body washes at $6.99 each. The 3 will total $20.97. Use the 6 off 3 digital coupon and you pay $14.97. Get 5 back, and that will make them $9.97 or $3.32 each. And I think it's cheaper to pick up 3 instead of 2. This is one of the best deals we have this week, and that's on Axe body wash or shower gel. They are on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy 2, you get $5 back. Pick up 2 body wash priced at $6.29. With the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.15. These 2 will total $9.44. Use a 5 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $4.44, get 5 back, making them free and 56 cents moneymaker. The next deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on Garnier Fructis hair care. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and they are priced at $5.59 each. These 2 will total $11.18. Check your app. We have a 3 off 2 coupon that you can use, and you pay $8.18, get 3 back, making them $5.18 or $2.59 each. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get 6 back on any L'Oreal Elvive hair care. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and they are priced at $6.29 each. These 2 will total $12.58. Pay the $12.58 and you get 6 back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back, and this is a limit of 1. After the extra care box and the Ibotta offer, these 2 will end up costing just $5.08 or $2.54 each. The next hair care deal I have is buy 2 get 3 back on Garnier Whole Blend shampoos or conditioner. Pick up 1 shampoo and 1 conditioner, and they are on sale for 2 for $9. Use a 3 off 2 digital coupon and you pay $6, get 3 back, making them $3, $1.50 each. My next deal is buy 2 get 4 on any Clairol Nice and Easy or Root Touch-Up hair color. Pick up 2 Clairol Root Touch-Up on sale for $8.99 each, and the 2 will total $17.98. Check your app. We have a 9 off 2 digital coupon. Use it and you pay $8.98, get 4 back, making them $4.98 or $2.49. My next deal is on Gillette Shave Foam. They are on sale for buy 1 get 1 half off and part of buy 2 get $2 back. Pick up 2 priced at $3.79. With the buy 1 get 1 half off, the second one will be $1.90. These 2 will total $5.69. Pay the $5.69 and you get 2 back, making them $3.69, $1.85 each. There is no spend 30 get $10 back on laundry products, but we have a spend 20 get $4 back, and I'll show you a simple way to do this deal. Pick up 1 Tide detergent on sale for $12.99 and 1 Downy fabric softener on sale for $6.99. These 2 will total $19.98, and that's within the 98% rule for spend 20. Make sure your store follows the 98% rule, that way you get your extra care box. Use a $3 digital coupon for the Tide and a $1 digital coupon for the Downy. The 2 coupons will take off $4 and you pay $15.98. Get 4 back, making them $11.98 or $5.99 each. Another option is to pick up 2 2-count Febreze disposable units on sale for $6.99 each and 1 bounce dryer sheets on sale for $6.99. These 3 items will total $20.97. Use 2 $3 off Febreze coupon, 1 from Coupon 24 app and 1 from CVS app, and a $1 off bounce coupon from Coupon 24 app. The 3 coupons will take off $7 and you pay $13.97, get 4 back, making them $9.97 or $3.32. The 20-ounce Palmolive dish soap are on sale for buy one get one free, no extra care box back. Pick up 2, and they are priced at $4.99 each. But with the buy one get one free, you're just paying for one. Pay $4.99. That will make each item just $2.50. The next deal I have is not giving back any extra care box, and that's on the Arm & Hammer detergent 27.5 to 28 ounce, Auto Blast, and the Power Packs. They are on sale for 3 for $7.49. Pick up 3, use a $1.50 off 3 digital coupon, and you pay $5.99, and that will make them just $2 each. And this concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thanks for all your support. I really appreciate them, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.